Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this gorgeous pepper sauce. It's simple, easy and so delicious. My name's Jean and welcome to Tasting Flavours, where we make gorgeous flavourful recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Okay, so I'm starting off by adding some red and green chillies to my processor, and I'm adding garlic and some onions. Just make sure your blender, whatever you're using, is powerful because mine isn't that great. I'm just popping the lid on and I'm going to blend away. Just make sure that you don't do it like a puree, you do it just like this. Okay, so I'm just adding that to some hot oil and I'm going to cook that over a medium heat. If only you could smell the smell, it is so amazing. Okay, I'm now going in with some tomato puree. And this is a very mild pepper sauce, so you don't have to worry about it being too hot. So I'm adding some salt just to give it a bit more flavour, and I'm letting that simmer. And here's your gorgeous pepper sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you again soon.